The students that are enrolled right now are earning their pastry certificate, and then it's built into our associates program. The goal is once they graduate from this program and as seniors here at PSJA, then to continue with their associates at STC. Within the program, they are going to get a sanitation class, and then they also take a fundamentals of baking course, which is like an introductory to baking. They take pies, tarts, and tea cakes, and they learn all kinds of little finger foods that you can have, little pastries, breads and rolls, which they learn about yeast, breads, and laminated breads and doughs. Advanced pastry, which is a continuation of fundamentals of baking. Chocolates and confections. For the students, they're expressing their creativity. Cooking and baking is a life skill, so they're learning that they can cook and feed their families. They're understanding budgets, how to plan events, and then they also do their capstone, which is an internship. So right now, one of our students is working at Pizza Hut, and we have 2 at Golden Corral. We have 1 at Capricious Bakery.
The Golden Corral, I didn't do that because I was taking part in these classes. And I'm grateful for the opportunity that the school gave me to be able to work there. Because not only am I able to learn and continue my career, but I'm also able to make some money.
They're understanding the hierarchy of the kitchen and understanding to work together as a team. And this will set them up, especially if they want to open their own business, they're able to see all of these things. The facilities are outstanding. You have your gas ranges. They have access to commercial equipment in here with their mixers and the proofers, the ovens, their convection ovens. Anything that we've needed for the courses, there hasn't been an issue as far as acquiring it. And we are getting things directly from the restaurant supply store, so everything is up to par. This partnership between STC Culinary Department and PSJA dual enrollment is helping our students to succeed in the future with real-world training and real-world experiences.